Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video we are going to see how to install Clipper-CMS on OpenSUSE version 15.1. Clipper-CMS is a free and open source CMS application that allows you to create websites within a few clicks without need any programming skills. First we have to download Clipper-CMS. Click here to download the latest version of Clipper-CMS. Download has been completed. Change directory to downloads. Extract the downloaded file. Then move the extracted directory under htdocs. Now I am going to change ownership for the Elix directory. Then change permission for that directory. Now I am going to create virtual host to access Elix. Then we have to create database for Elix. And create one user. Then grant permission for that user. Now I am going to restart the Apache service to update these changes. To install Clipper-CMS, open browser. In address bar type IP address of your system. Accept the license. Here give DB name, username, then click on submit. Create login credentials here. Then click on submit. Click on submit. Click on login administration section. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.